Turning now to the first full day back in the White House for President Donald Trump.
Our 47th president wasting no time making changes. Trump rescinding 78 of former President Joe Biden's executive actions. Trump also set a first day record with 42 executive orders, memoranda, and proclamations. He also pardoned more than 1,500 people convicted in connection with the January 6th riots.
The president also issued an executive order to end birthright citizenship. Right now, if you are born in the U.S., you are a citizen regardless of your parents' immigration status. Trump wants to end the decades-old immigration policy.
Today, attorneys general from 18 states, including Dana Nessel here in Michigan, filing a lawsuit to try and block that order. It's expected to be a lengthy legal battle before we see any potential changes. 7 News Detroit reporter Faraz Javed breaking down what it could mean for our neighbors right here in Metro Detroit. Faraz?
My department began filing cases against the Trump administration.
Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel announced today that she, along with the attorney generals of at least 17 other states, is challenging the executive order that seeks to strip certain babies born in the country of their U.S. citizenship.
Birthright. That's a big one.
On Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, President Donald Trump signed the executive order while taking office for his second term.
If the policies of the administration and the federal government, firstly, violate the law, and secondly, inflict specific concrete harm or injury to the state of Michigan or her residents, I am bound by the oath of my office to take action.
The American Civil Liberties Union in Maine, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts also sued today the Trump administration over the executive order that violates the constitutional rights to which all children born in the country are entitled.
Exposing them to immigration enforcement, to stigma, denying them educational and professional opportunities, and denying them access to early life nutrition and other vital services.
Attorney Nabi Ayad, who has been practicing civil rights for the past 25 years, says we can see additional lawsuits in the coming days.
That's going to impact a great number of individuals here. We're talking about 400,000 or 500,000, Arab and Muslim Americans here in the state of Michigan. And you have other, of course, Hispanic, Latino, Asian, Indian, Pakistani, Bangladesh, all sorts of backgrounds.
The founder of Arab American Civil Rights League sued the Trump administration 4 years ago over the Muslim ban.
How easy will it be to implement this executive order?
It'll be very difficult, because the 14th Amendment is part of our U.S. Constitution, which is the supreme law of the land. And our U.S. Constitution trumps Donald Trump.
Ratified in 1868, the 14th Amendment grants citizenship to all persons born or naturalized in the United States and provides all citizens with equal protection under the law.
We know he has control of the House, Legislature, Senate, and Congress. We know he has the executive branch, but what he does not have is a judiciary branch to a certain degree. Even the Supreme Court cannot amend the U.S. Constitution.
However, according to the Senate, the Constitution has been amended 27 times, most recently in 1992. Former Oakland County GOP Chairman Rocky Roskowski welcomes the move.
Listen, we have to put U.S. citizens first. We are the individuals that paid into Medicare, Medicaid, and Social Security. Why should someone that comes here just to have a child born here and then leaves this country draw from the U.S. Treasury on someone that isn't a citizen or never paid into the citizen benefits?
Now, as per the Attorney General, the executive order does not go into effect for the next 30 days and does not rescind citizenship for those already born in the country. Also, ACLU says till the time an injunction is issued after February 19th, U.S.-born babies must have at least one parent who is a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident in order to gain citizenship. From the East Side, I'm Faraz Javed, 7 News Detroit.
All right, Faraz, thank you.